how to hide the battery percentage on the status bar on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now let's go back to the main settings page. Then we scroll down and tap on Battery. Next, at the top here, tap on the battery percentage toggle button to turn off or switch on the battery icon up here. So if I switch it off, you can see that it will not show the battery number at the top corner. And if I turn this on, it will now show the percentage number in the battery icon. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.